For this part, I am going to explain to you what are the expected submissions all throughout this module 2. So, I hope everyone will really take note of what are the important things to remember when it comes to the submissions and the expected activities per sessions. So, outcomes is you are going to create your personal fitness program. So, we were able to provide and have the list of exercises that you're expected to do. Later on, I'll explain it. How are you going to follow it? What are the inventory of exercises? Can I change it or not? Then perform your workout routines properly. So, PathFit 1 workout routine. So things to discuss are as follows. First one, we have the personal exercise program. So with this, you are going to, as what I have said earlier, you are going to make your own personal exercise program as according to the inventory that we were able to provide you. Next is extra workout. So later on, I'll explain to you what is extra workout. What's the relevance of these within our routines or sessions. Then weekly submissions. What are those? Then the assessment task and the important reminders. So first one, we have the introduced workout routine. So students are expected to create their own personal workout routine based on the part 1 discussion. So on the part 1 discussion, I was able to present to you what are those exercises, what is HIIT, what is circuit training, and what is Tabata. Then, with that, with those principles combined, the circuit training, HIIT, and Tabata, you are going to make your own personal workout routine based on the principles or based on those workout routines that I was able to present or discuss to you during the part 1. So, we have the alternative exercises. So, these alternative exercises are an alternative workout for you students who have difficulty in doing the suggested exercises. So what is this? So if you are not able to do the standard push-up, then maybe you can do the knee push-up for you to be able to perform such and for you to target the muscle that you're going to develop all throughout the certain routine. So, what is expected? So, with that, we have the extra workout. So, the extra workout is the workout of your personal choice or of your choice. So, it can be within 5 minutes of extra workout. It can be doing skipping rope, dance, sports drills, maybe volleyball, basketball drills, or any other sport that you are into. The drills. Then we have we are going to perform that right after the introduction of workout routines. So for me to really explain it well, so there is what we call as 10 minutes workout routine. So which the professors will introduce to the class. Also, right after the 10 minutes workout routine, then we have the 5 minutes extra workout. So you are just going to choose from among these three. So if you're into dancing, doing Zumba or cardio exercises, or any other dances, then it's also a good interval within the personal workout routine that you are expected to do. Okay? Then, the order of doing such routines are the following. First is the 10 minutes workout routine. Then, after that, the 5 minutes extra workout. Then, before doing the 10 minutes workout routine, expectedly, we are going to have the warm up, stretching and warm up for 5 minutes. Then, after that, the 10 minutes workout routine, then the 5 minutes workout, then after that is the 2 minutes for our cool down exercise, which makes up 22 minutes of your time doing such workouts. So for your personal workout routine, on our blackboard, there is what we call as a personal fitness program. So this will be collected within this week. So the form is already available on the blackboard. Kindly fill it out. As you can observe there is those exercises that is red. When it comes if it's red, then those are the exercises that you may replace according to your needs or that you can perform. We were also able to provide you an alternative exercise video. So you can just look at it, and if it suits you, then you can replace it with the red ones that is specified here. But if you are good with this, then you can just follow this. The non-red words are the standards, which are you are not allowed to change. Only the red ones. So as you can see here, there is we were able to specify the work and the rest, the time where we are going to work and to do the workout routines, and how many seconds that we're going to rest. But we can also change this, especially for the week 1. We can just start with 30 seconds work and 40 seconds rest on the week 1. We can intensify the workouts right every session, every week of the sessions. Again, I'll repeat, the red ones are the only ones that you can just change based on the alternative workout routines or exercise videos that we were able to provide you. The non-red words are the standard exercises that you should really follow. For the week 1 also, we will have the 30 seconds work and 40 seconds rest. So submission of output. So we have the form which I was able to provide you earlier. So when done, kindly submit it within, or you should submit it with a PDF version so that it cannot be edited. Okay? So kindly download the workout routine that I was able to provide to you as an example, and the form is already available through our Blackboard. So every sessions that we will be having from week 9 to 12, there is workout sessions that you really need to perform during our sessions. So for week 9, we have you should follow these file names. For week 9, the personal workout routine form that you should really the form that you are going to have it as your file name is the PatFit 1 week 1 activity log. For week 9, for week 10, 2, for week 11, 3, for week 4 is, for week 12 is 4. The form for this is already available also through our Blackboard. Okay, so this should be the file name. If you will not follow this file name, automatically you will be marked as NFI or not following instructions and will receive lower grade compared with the others. Expect that there will be an increase of intensity right every week or every after weeks. So what can be the assessment? So our assessments based on our rubric is the proper form in doing such exercises and the execution. This is not a competition against other classmates. It's a competition against yourselves. Then, important reminders, especially in doing such exercises. So if you have an existing injury, please approach your professors. Next, wear proper attire. It's an SOP within our class. Then prepare a bottle of water because you really need to fuel yourselves up in between exercises. Always observe proper breathing. This will be presented to you, or this will be discussed to you during the sessions that we will be having during our PE3 classes. Then push yourselves. but do not hurt yourself. Always perform what you can do. And rest when you feel dizzy. Also, follow the proper execution for it to lessen the risk of having injuries. And if possible, perform the exercises with the presence of someone or somebody so that they can assist you, especially if you are new into doing such exercises. So those are the submissions or the expected submission all throughout the module 2. And again, as what I have said earlier, prepare yourselves this week so that your body or you will be really prepared during the sessions. Motivate yourself in doing some simple exercises so that you can be prepared during our sessions. So that's it. So do something today that your future self will thank you for in the future. That is a quote from Sean Patrick Flannery. So we will really be get moving all throughout the module 2, and I hope everyone is prepared. Condition yourselves in preparation for our exercise routines for the coming weeks. So I think that's all for now. Thank you and God bless, and see you around, students.